Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing a versatile floor cleaning machine that combines cordless convenience, wet-dry functionality, and smart self-cleaning technology. This is the cordless wet-dry vacuum mop combo, an all-in-one floor cleaner designed for hard floors, featuring 4.5 kPa suction, 75 minutes runtime, anti-tangle design, LED lights, 180 degrees lay flat cleaning, and self-propelled movement. If you want a hassle-free, high-performance cleaning solution, this device delivers exactly that. The cordless wet-dry vacuum mop combo is designed to tackle dirt, dust, pet hair, and spills in a single pass. Its 4.5 kPa powerful suction removes embedded dirt while the wet mop function cleans and sanitizes floors at the same time. The 180 degrees lay flat mop head allows the vacuum to reach under furniture and tight spaces effortlessly, ensuring a comprehensive clean. One of the standout features is self-cleaning. After finishing a cleaning session, the mop head can clean itself automatically, reducing manual maintenance and ensuring it's ready for the next use. The anti-tangle design prevents hair and debris from clogging brushes, making it ideal for households with pets. Maneuverability is excellent thanks to the self-propelled wheels, allowing smooth movement with minimal effort. LED lights illuminate corners and dark areas, ensuring no spot is missed. The cordless design provides up to 75 minutes runtime, making it suitable for medium to large floor spaces without constant recharging. This all-in-one floor cleaner is perfect for busy households, providing powerful suction, wet-dry cleaning, and automated maintenance in one convenient package. It's engineered for efficiency, ease of use, and long-lasting performance. If you want a cordless, high-suction, self-cleaning wet-dry vacuum mop that handles everything from dust to sticky spills, the cordless wet-dry vacuum mop combo is a reliable choice. Check it out via the Amazon link below, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tech and cleaning product reviews.